Okay, so today let's have a brief of active voice and passive voice. And we have people online. I guess how many people are here in class? Around 45 plus. Okay, so, hmm. So, do you have any previous knowledge of this topic, Abhinav?
Yes, ma'am.
What is that?
Ma'am, like active and passive voice are two ways of saying a sentence.
Active and passive voice? Say again.
Ma'am, they both are two different ways by which we can express a sentence.
Okay, so these are two different voices of expressing somebody's thoughts, opinion. Anyone else among girls? Kushi, is Kushi Kumari online? Huh? Nobody in girls. Anushka is seen on screen. Anushka, are you present here?
Yes, ma'am, I am present.
Okay, so Anushka, what has he said? These are two different ways of saying things. Do you carry any knowledge of active voice? Have you read this topic in your previous class, Anushka?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, active and passive voice. Ma'am, actually, they are the two types of actually, ma'am, we can say a sentence in two types. That's I know about that.
What is an active voice?
Ma'am, like if we are saying Rita is cutting a cake, then it's passive is Rita is cutting cake or is she cutting the cake?
Rita is cutting a cake. Right? This is a sentence. And as per you, it is passive. It is passive, yes or no? यही कहा ना?
Yes, ma'am.
यही कहा ना अभी आपने कि ये पैसिव है. ओके. तो एक्टिव का एग्जांपल जैसे कि क्या हो सकता है अनुष्का? पहले हम
Ma'am, Rita.
पहले हम इस चीज पे फोकस करते हैं कि एक सेंटेंस को एक्टिव बनाता क्या है ना? डू यू नो एनीथिंग इन दिस रिगार्ड अनुष्का? देन आई कैन कंटिन्यू विथ यू, else I may give the chance to someone else. What makes a sentence active? Do you know the answer, Anushka? Be quick.
No, ma'am, I know that only. Can I say what is active voice?
Say your name first.
Ma'am, I am Angel. I'm Angel Srivastava.
एंजल, मैंने आपको उस दिन कॉल करने को कहा था, मुझे आपने कॉल नहीं किया. रीजन? आज आप मिस नहीं करेंगे.
Okay.
राइट?
Okay.
वरना फिर मेरा इंटरेक्शन आपसे ऑफलाइन ही होगा फिर, है ना? अगर कोई टीचर कोई चीज कह रहा है तो आपको करना चाहिए उसे. बताइए, व्हाट मेक्स अ सेंटेंस एक्टिव?
Ma'am, active sentence, it is a simple type of sentence in which subject is normal and everything normal. But ma'am, passive voice, the object becomes subject and the word becomes past.
ओके, हैंग ऑन. अभी हम पैसिव पे नहीं जाएंगे, अभी हम एक्टिव पे जाएंगे. यू जस्ट समड इट अप. लाइक एक्टिव में सब कुछ नॉर्मल होता है. तो ये नॉर्मल, लाइक हम डॉक्टर तो है नहीं और हमारे सामने पेशेंट नहीं है ना. हमें थोड़ा सा और उसे बाइफरकेट करना पड़ेगा. एक्टिव को एक्टिव क्या बनाता है?
Simple type of sentence.
ना,
It's a
ना,
simple type of sentence.
नो, दिस इज नॉट द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन. अब मैं पूछू सिंपल क्या होता है बेटा? प्रिंस, पहले आपने वो काम किया जिसको लिए मैंने आपको बोला था अभी. पहले आप वो काम करिए. ठीक है प्रिंस, फिर मैं आपको चांसेस दूंगी इंटरैक्ट करने के. ऑलराइट.
Ma'am, may I tell?
क्षितिज.
Yes, ma'am.
हम्म
Ma'am, when the subject of a verb acts or the subject is the doer of the action, the verb is said to be in the active voice.
All right. So when the subject of a sentence is the person who is performing the action, who is doing something in that sentence is called as active sentence or the sentence is in active voice. Is this statement understood by each of you? Kshitij says the answer. Say, take this example. Kshitij says the answer. Now what is the subject? Kshitij. What action is being going on? Saying. Saying. Somebody is saying something. Who is saying? So is subject performing the action? So is this in active voice? Clear hai? Offline, online, everyone is clear, I suppose? Cool. So now let's have a look at the passive voice. Now what is a passive voice? Just the opposite. When the doer is not doing it, but instead he is receiving the action. So what can be the sentence? All right. Sabha says the ball was thrown by Rita. है ना? So एक को पहले समझते हैं ना. The ball was thrown by Rita. So यहाँ पे subject क्या हो गया? What is the subject? The ball. है ना? The ball. Now action क्या हो रहा है? Main verb is throw. Helping verb Nazra? Helping verb क्या है? Yes ma'am, I can say the answer. I don't know. Was. ठीक है? Throw is the main verb. Okay? Okay तो जोर से बोलो बेटा. Throw is the main verb and helping verb is was. So was throwing. So Rita is the person who is actually performing the action. लेकिन सब्जेक्ट की जगह रीता तो है नहीं. रीता क्या है यहाँ पे? ऑब्जेक्ट है. ठीक है? क्लियर है? Alright, so I write a letter, very cliche example, or I write a letter is written by me, है ना? So यहाँ पे subject की change हो जाती है position, subject becomes object, object becomes subject, right? Basic, the very basic. Now let's have a look at the a brief content, and then I shall be giving chances to you without any help of any such content. So make sure you are understanding what is appearing on screen, and then you have to apply it in the book that you're carrying with yourself. Verbs are either active or passive in voice. In the active voice, the subject and verb relationship is straightforward. The subject is a doer the subject is a doer. In the passive voice, the subject of a sentence is not a doer. It is shown with by plus do er. That is, doer will carry a by before it, or is not shown in the sentence. Passive voice is used when the action is the focus, not the subject. ठीक है? It is not important who does the action. एक और चीज हमें यहाँ पे क्या पता चलती है? When we use passive voice, when we are not in any mood to highlight that whosoever has done that. जब action ज्यादा important है, जो हुआ वो हमें ज्यादा दिखाना है. A letter is written. Say, I'm just saying. Indiscipline is created. This is the action. Now, who is created? I'm not naming the person, the student. Indiscipline is reported from this class. Right? So, action. So, ये कौन सा tense हुआ? इसमें तो हम subject को add भी नहीं कर रहे हैं. Active है कि passive? Passive. Clear है? समझ में आ रहा है? तुझे बस नहीं बोलना. Okay, so the window is broken. Under bracket it says it is not known who broke the window, or it is not important to know who broke the window. ठीक है? जब हमें ये नहीं बताना है, जरूरी नहीं है कि भाई कौन परफॉर्म कर रहा है, या फिर जब हमें ये पता ही नहीं है कि एक्शन किया किसने, तो हमारी वॉइस कौन सी प्रेफरेबल हो जाती है? पैसिव. ठीक है? द क्लास हैज बीन कैंसल्ड. ठीक है? ये एक्शन हो गया, क्लास कैंसिल हो गई. द फोकस इज ऑन द क्लास बीइंग कैंसल्ड. इट इज नॉट इंपॉर्टेंट टू नो हु कैंसल्ड इट. क्लियर है? The passive voice is often used. The focus is on the passive voice. It is not important to explain who the writer is. Now, ये जो third sentence है आपका third bullet, अब the passive voice is often used by Tarannum ma'am, by the editor, by Chetna, by Ravikant. So here, who is in the habit of using more passive voice? That thing is not revealed. Am I clear, Suprabha? ठीक है. Passive voice should be avoided when you want more clarity in writing. However, in some cases, you need to use passive voice to stress the action, not the actor. Also, passive voice can be considered more polite as it sounds less aggressive or dramatic. Clear है? इतने पार्ट में किसी को कोई डाउट है मैम आई एम नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लाइन ऑफ दैट लाइन दिस इज लेमैन read it and then you may keep a note of it. If you have a rough copy you can jot down in short notes or bullet maybe. Now if your brain says that this can be important, maybe your book might not be having this, or maybe the same thing is written in another way, so you'll be able to identify. So you may jot down the notes if you feel. Right, now the next thing is that building was built in 1990. Is this the same passion in which your history books are written? Who is the builder?
Yes, ma'am.
Under whose instruction the building was created? Is it given? Last boy.
No, ma'am.
The car was invented about 100 years ago. By whom? पता नहीं. But हमने passive voice prefer की है. यहाँ पे passive ही correct है. I was told that Mary moved to a different country. ठीक है? अब I told Mary हो जाएगा तो कौन सा voice है? I was told by Mary. Passive. Passive. I was told that I was told का क्या मतलब? That somebody else is telling me, है ना? So यहाँ पे I was told that Mary moved to a different country. Your business is appreciated. ठीक है? Passive है कि active? Your business is appreciated. लगा लो by the management, by the customers, by the public, by the open poll feedback. So which voice is this? Your business is appreciated. Passive. है ना? I appreciate your business. Active. Your business is appreciated. Passive. Clear है? Okay. She was elected to city council. उसे elect किया गया council के द्वारा. So this is passive. ठीक है? Next, it was rumored that the company would lay off a few people soon. It was rumored, है ना, that the company would lay off a few people soon. क्या होगा ये? अच्छा, पैसिव है ये. जहां पे बॉस के साथ एक आपका लाइक इट इज अ क्लू टू. जहां पे बॉस के साथ आपका मेन वर्ब आ जाए, एक्शन क्या हो रहा है? रूमर करने का. रूमर क्या था? द सेकेंड पार्ट, दैट कंपनी, है ना? सो इट इज पैसिव. इट इज रिकमेंडेड दैट द बिलिंग प्रोसेस बी शॉर्टेंड. पैसिव. कौन रिकमेंड कर रहा है? कोई रिकमेंड कर रहा है ना? मेंशन है? वर्षा, समझ में आ रहा है? All right, so people who are online, I hope you people are giving me a consent by your silence. Should I go ahead?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You can easily rewrite an active sentence to a passive sentence. The object in the active sentence becomes a subject in the passive sentence. The verb is changed to a be verb. Be verb. Be forms. Are you aware with be forms? Is, am, are, was, were are be forms. है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Plus past participle means third form of the verb. है ना नजरा? क्लियर है? ये आपको स्क्रीन का फॉन्ट आपको अच्छे से दिखाई दे रहा है? आपका पावर क्या है? The subject of the active sentence follows by or is omitted. If the subject is shown, so either it can be shown with the usage by या फिर तो वो omitted होगा. ठीक है? Sam wrote a letter to Jamie. A letter was written to Jamie by Sam. So the first sentence is inactive. First is inactive and second is in passive. ठीक है? इतना हम बेस लेके चलते हैं. अब यू पीपल स्टार्ट रीडिंग योर बुक. ठीक है? This much basic is sufficient. Now you apply this knowledge to whatever content is written in your book. Do not go on the exercises. Just follow the written rule part. ठीक है? Wherever they have explained, right? Read that much part.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I am not able to define you on WhatsApp group.
Are you on 8th ABC?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so how many days it's been? Have you not interacted with any fellow?
No, ma'am.
Have you Acha, any teacher?
Yes, ma'am, class teacher.
Very good. So you can ask him or you may call him and ask him that ma'am, sir, please share the number of my English teacher. है ना?
Okay, ma'am.
Now start reading, all of you, both who are online and offline.